Red flag. No. Ooh. What is? Please don't be another fail. Ooh, sexy. Hola, gente. What is that, my warrior angels? Welcome to yet another video. Here we usually test out new hair care and celebrity hair care routines, but today I'm trying something a little bit different. We're going to be testing out some weird wish hair accessories. So this could be a huge waste of money and maybe just a bunch of junk, or maybe we will bump into a bargain, and who doesn't want that? So I'm really excited. Let's just go ahead and try the first. I'm going to be inserting the product picture right here. Summarizes my expectations, and well, this is the actual product, which okay, oh yeah, I remember this. Oh yeah, the new ponytail hair extensions. How can I put this? The journey was not kind to this product. Maybe we just need to help it out a little bit. Also, I'm pretty sure you cannot use heat on this type of hair because it's not like human hair. So it's basically a hairy scrunchie. The blonde one that I thought was going to be close to at least the ends of my hair, even blonder. Let's try with a bun that's kind of up, and oh my god, no. I mean, maybe if you have like really short hair, or maybe if you want this for like a costume, you know, in those scenarios this might be good, but it just looks so damaged and dry and just doesn't look like a very good quality hair. I don't know what to say about this accessory. Clearly it looks like I just had a very bad salon appointment and they just fried my hair. I think on camera it doesn't look as bad. Right now I cannot see myself using this again, so let's just go ahead and test out the next. Please disregard the messy hair, but we're testing out things and it's going to get messier. Ooh, this one's pretty. Do you guys see? It's definitely a lot more wearable. Looks pretty accurate to the picture. So it's definitely not like gold for sure. Let's just go ahead and see how we can use this. So, oh, I think I'm liking this one. I really like to kind of get my bangs a little bit out of the way sometimes and just leave a couple of front pieces. And the Occident Fashion golden metal long tassel chains, classier and wearable. Definitely 100% see myself using this. It kind of transforms the typical half up half down hairstyle into something a little bit more romantic. I have to give this one a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and open the next one. Definitely looks strange, but stay with me because so it has like a thread here. I will cut that off later. So clearly these things are not the highest quality, but you know what? I still have high hopes for this one. It actually looks exactly like the picture. I am wondering if I will be able to wear it and achieve the same result as the model. It's supposed to give some volume to the crown, those hairstyles in which you have like a higher up crown. I usually tease my hair to achieve that type of hairstyle with the tangle teaser. If we can manage to give the crown some volume with an accessory, you know, we're kind of also protecting the hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try this and see. So I think I should be flipping this forward. I would like to have it exactly here at the crown, kind of filling in that space. Do it look like the cone heads? I'm gonna use this right here to clip it. Just twist it and clip it at the back. I think the key is to kind of loosen things up a little bit. This is not bad. It actually looks pretty much like the picture, doesn't it? You know what? I think I like this one. This one is called the French twist maker. Maybe not in style right now, but it's like very classy and professional looking hairstyle. Not the easiest, so if this can make things quicker, faster, and easier. Hi. Okay. I I just see this is so weak, and you're supposed to do like a high ponytail with your hair going through this. I guess we're here to try things out. Okay. Wow. Dead fitting all my hair. This ain't easy at all, and it kind of pulls my hair. Twist your hair around this thing, and you want to like put that in, and okay. And it broke. So this is a no for me. I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs down. And the next product is fake bangs. It's not highlighted here, so it's never going to match my dark roots and highlights, but at least I'm able to see if they look good on me before I just go ahead and cut my hair and commit. You know what? It actually looks pretty similar to the picture. And of course, this is also artificial hair. Okay, let's do this. It's going to be fun. So you have like this netted area right here, like clipping extensions, and the two little clips sewed in as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to clip it. Oh my God. Let's just see if it actually like gets in the hair. The hair feels actually really nice to the touch. Oh my God, I'm getting some Sia vibes here. I'm really trying to pretend that this has any chance, but I don't know. It's just way too further up, and it just looks really strange. Okay, I want to try one thing. This is not exactly a hat, but it may actually make it look a little bit less weird. I feel like things are getting worse and worse with this. It is a little bit better, but I don't think so. Promising, and definitely it's a normal one. It looks kind of bridal. Ooh. So of course you can do it like this and have it more of a Roman style, but I think I'm gonna do it like this instead. So you want to basically clip it, bob it ping, and then just secure it. Oh God, this actually looks so beautiful and romantic. And even though it's clearly not gold and not real pearls, it kind of does the trick. So we found another good one right here. I really like this. I am absolutely 100% going to give this one a thumbs up. Let's open this. As you guys can see, this is flexible. There's actually a few things you can do, but most importantly, it's supposed to give more volume to your bun. Let's try to do like a high ponytail first. Pull the hair inside that hole. And now you want to like twist and keep twisting, and then you want to bend. Oh, and there's like a button here, and then you want to cover things up with the hair. You know what? I actually like this more than I thought I would. I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs up. And here comes the last one. I'm really excited about this one because, as you guys know, I constantly test out new hair treatments here on this channel, and I actually just recently broke my 20-year-old thermal cap, you know, those that heat up the treatment just exactly like they do on the salons, but at home. But this is kind of in line with that, but it's a tiny bit different. It's supposed to be a hair dryer accessory. Okay, this is like an elephant tube. And it has a couple of holes, and of course this is supposed to attach to the nozzle. Red flag, it looks a little bit narrow for my hair dryer, but I don't know, we'll see. Please don't be another fail. I guess you're supposed to like put it like this, and I'm laughing so hard during this entire video, it's crazy. Secure it like that, and of course this entire hair needs to go in, right? So let's do this again. So let's say I have one of those hair masks, and let's say I use my Sephora clip it up, secure it right here. Ooh, sexy. Who doesn't want to look like this on YouTube? No. I'm gonna try to find my old hair dryer. All right, if we have a chance at all of this ever being useful, it's gonna be with this. It's definitely smaller here, so it may be able to attach correctly. Wish me luck. Okay, yay, we're doing this. Are we ready? I'm gonna put it in cold. Okay. What the? Did you just see that? I'm literally crying here. All right, what can I say except it actually does work. And granted, this is going to be way noisier than just buying one of those thermos cups. I kind of like that experience more because I can read or watch TV as I am doing my hair treatment. I mean, I guess for the price, it's definitely a nice to have. I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs up. And that is a wrap. This video was so much fun to film. I hope you guys got a good laugh at my expense. I don't mind. No matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a warrior with the heart of an angel. And I will catch up with you guys again on Sunday. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.